Hello, my name is Putri Zakira Lestari, but you can call me Zakira.
And what about you?
Hello, my name is Zahra. You can call me Zahra.
Okay, so where are you guys from?
I'm from South Cikarang.
And I'm from Dharmapuri Persada.
And which school do you guys go to?
Mitra Industri Vocational High School.
What about you?
Mitra Industri Vocational High School.
And so, now let's talk about reading. Zakira, how often do you read for fun?
I often reading non-fiction book.
And what kind of things do your friends like reading?
I'm not sure they like reading.
And Zahra, what was the last thing that you read online?
The last thing I read online was an article about healthy food.
Okay, and how old were you when you learned to read?
I was 6 years old when I learned to read.
Okay, now Zakira, please tell me about something that you have enjoyed reading.
I like reading non-fiction book. When I read non-fiction book, I can get new information and new knowledge. When I read novel, I usually get bored quickly.
And will you read it again in the future?
Maybe yes.
Okay, now let's talk about the internet. Zara, what can you learn on the internet?
We can learn many things on the internet, like language, science, and cooking.
And do you learn English from the internet?
I prefer. Yes.
Okay, and do you prefer using a phone or a computer to go on the internet?
I prefer using a phone because it's easy and practical.
Okay, and Zakira, how often do you chat online with your friends? How often do you chat online with your friends?
I often chat online with my school friend just for fun or to exchange information.
Do you chat with them every day?
Oh yes, of course.
And what do you like doing most on the internet?
I also often use the internet to watch YouTube, movies, and especially K-dramas.
Okay, now Zara, please tell me something about what you like doing on the internet.
I like watching education videos and reading interesting articles on the internet.
Okay, now in this part of the test, you're going to talk together. Here are some pictures that shows different holidays. You can see.
Yes.
I will give you 1 until 2 minutes to answering. Okay. Do you like these different types of holiday? Say why or why not. I'll say that again. Do you like these different types of holiday? Say why or why not. Alright, now let's talk together. Do you think staying at a campsite is fun?
Yes, if I going camping with the people that I want.
And what about you?
Yes, staying at a campsite is fun because I can enjoy nature.
Yes. Okay, and do you think lying on a beach is boring?
Yes. For me, yes.
And what about you? Is it lying on a beach is boring?
No, lying on the beach is not boring. It is relaxing.
It's relaxing. And do you think going to stay with family is cheap?
Yes, because it would disturb my parents' finance.
Okay, good. And what about you, Zara?
Yes, staying with family is cheap because we don't pay for a hotel.
good. And do you think having a holiday in the mountain is difficult?
Yeah, it's difficult, but I think it will be worth it because of the fun during the hike.
And what about you?
No, having a holiday in the mountains is not difficult.
Okay, and the last question is, do you think going on a school trip is exciting?
Yes, because I go with my friend.
What about you?
Yes, going on a school trip is exciting.
Okay, thank you for your answer, guys. So, Zakira, which of these holidays do you like the best? I mean, do you like lying on a beach or go with your family and hiking?
I like our holiday, but I don't like going to the beach during the day because it's very hot. I prefer going to the beach at night.
And you, Zara, which of these holidays do you like the best?
Going with my family because I didn't have to spend a lot money.
Okay, thank you again. And now, is it more fun to have holidays with family or with friends? Zara, why?
Gimana tadi?
I say it again. Now, is it more fun to have holidays with family or with friends?
Oh, with family because I didn't have to spend a lot of money.
That's good. And what about you, Zakira? Is it more fun to have holidays with family or with your friends?
For me, with family is good, but I prefer to be alone because it make me happy. Because it make me feel comfortable, and that's more fair. Is calm. Yang itu kata dia.
Okay. And do you ever feel tired after a holiday, Zakira?
Yes.
I related. And what about you, Zahra? Do you feel tired after a holiday?
No, because it's fun.
Okay. So, that's it from us. Thank you for listening and see ya. Bye bye.